Kali Linux machine in our VirtualBox. Okay. First of all, visit kali.org, go to the Get Kali, and little bit scroll down. You're going to see this recommended installer file. Click on this. This is around 4 gig file is there, so it might take a time. Once it will be installed, this image we are going to use it in our VirtualBox environment. Okay. Once the installation will be done, we are going to add it into the VirtualBox. So let's open the VirtualBox, create a new. We're going to give it a name as Kali. Okay. Select the ISO image. Just now we have downloaded. So go to download and the one that let me open. Okay. So it automatically took what type of this ISO file is there. So it's a Linux, Ubuntu, and Ubuntu 64-bit. So click on next. And this here we are going to define all the specification respect to the hardware, which include memory, processor, and the hard disk. Okay. So we are going to keep it as an 2048 2 GB and 4 CPU. Next, we'll at least need 80 GB of hard disk. Next, and finish. Okay, it's time to turn this up. Click on start. This will turn up and start installing the Kali in the VirtualBox. Okay, so let's wait. Click on graphical install. Let's continue in English. United States, English. Configure the keyboard and it will start installing the components. We are going to set the host name for this box. I'm going to set it as an Kali. Continue. Domain name I'm going to keep as a blank. Continue. New user will keep it as Kali, and the account is on the Kali. We'll keep a simple password. Continue. Clock I'm going to set it as in Pacific. So we are going to use the entire disk to install on this. So click continue. It detected this. So continue. And all file in a one partition. This is highly recommended. And it is going to be write all these new files on this particular disk. So write the changes to disk. I will keep as it is and continue. Yeah, write the changes into the disk. Press yes. Continue. Okay, on this stage I will keep this selection as it is and hit continue. Okay, in this one we are going to go with the installation of bootloader. So I'm going to continue and will be select the appropriate hard disk. So it is going to install this bootloader and it is finalizing the installation. Okay, the installation is complete. It is asking us to reboot. So let's continue. It is going to be rebooted. Perfect. Hit. It's ready. Go ahead with the username and password. And yep, this is how you are going to set up a Kali Linux machine on a virtual VirtualBox. Thank you so much for watching this video.